stop. Here.
Rob, you're getting
Okay.
sick.
All right.
Just 8.
All right, here's your bat. Looking. I can tell you're looking. You're looking down.
They're looking.
No.
Yeah, you didn't spin me that.
Okay, remember.
That'll make me get violent.
4, 5. Okay. All right. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you did me. All right, wait. Okay. Swing high.
Three, 4,
Kim's turning with him.
5. Okay.
Whoa!
Oh.
He tapped it on the way back.
Where'd you go?
Here, he's coming. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, huh? 4, 5. I opened my eyes. Can you open your eyes?
Some good swings. There's been some good swings, but nobody's hit it yet. Who's next?
Next.
Here. But not that.
You push it all the way back and push it up.
Put faces on here.
Leave it alone.
Right?
You leave it like that, it looks so much better.
2, 3, 4,
Remember, swing high.
5.
Yeah, okay.
Got it.
Somebody hit it. It's weakened.
Instead of it in black down.
Good hit.
It
That was a good hit.
was that.
You can't see out of it, though.
Let's check out the damage.
You can't, there ain't no way they can see out of it.
See a hole in his back there.
2, 3, 4,
This is the Louisiana two-step.
5. Okay.
Look out.
You want to see your mom.
Oh, he almost got her.
Okay, you can continue.
He almost got Mom.
You can continue.
Okay.
Why? Mom's
Spin him, Kim.
the front.
No, come on. I'm taking him now.
I'll spin him.
Okay.
Watch out, Nicole.
One, two, three.
Nicole, that's good.
Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Why do you spin with him?
I don't know.
I mean, maybe over there.
Look at him.
5.
Should point him in the right way. Okay. Mitch knocks it off, but he's still intact.
Well, you knocked it all the way over here.
It's over in left field somewhere.
Long run. Give me the bat.
He doesn't look too happy.
I'll hit it with a metal bat. You know, it's a pound.
Nicole's next.
Okay, ready? Keep the bat down. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, point her. Wait a minute. Point her in the right way.
Okay.
You're playing the right way.
Wait a minute.
Point her the right way, Kim.
Okay. 1, 2,
Spins more.
3.
Okay.
But they always want to move. Oh, look, that's genius.
She had a check swing there. Strike.
Next.
It's getting weakened.
Is it weakening? It's too full.
He just had his back.
Right. Which way?
Yeah, I'll get it. 1, 2, 3,
Uh-oh.
4, 5. Wait a minute. Face it right way. Okay.
You got the bottom of it.
Right over
His foot off.
Okay. Corey's getting ready to try it now. He's going to try it on his hands.
Ready?
came back and hit you.
You're not taking every one of these, are you? Till somebody breaks it. Wait. One, two, three. We're only doing 3 spins now.